What is up guys, Dan at the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download wallpapers from the Steam workshop. So first head over to the Steam's application and from here you just need to click on community, and after clicking on community here you will see the workshop option. Click on this and after that you will open a new window. So from here you just simply need to click on the search bar and then you need to type in wallpaper. After typing wallpaper, you just simply need to hit enter and then your wallpapers will appear. As you can see, I have searched for rain wallpaper and here is the rain wallpapers so that you can just simply choose from these. This is the one and then here you will see the another ones. And after that, when you want a specific live wallpaper, just simply give it a click and then click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this. And then you can just simply share it, or you can just right click and download this, or you can just simply copy the page URL and then paste it in the another tab and then download it from there. So this is how you can download wallpapers from the Steam's workshop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.